In this tutorial, I use WhatsApp for the demonstration, but you can use any application at all for the procedure. So all you have to do is to clone the application you want to back up and restore the data. In my case, I'm using WhatsApp. So I cloned WhatsApp and I've successfully installed WhatsApp. This procedure works on every app and every game at all. What you are going to do next is go back to App Cloner, choose Export App Data. Now in Export App Data, we label our backup with the desired name. WhatsApp 2022.data is my desired name. Depending on the size of your backup, it may take a bit longer. After the process is done successfully, you get a feedback like this. So you can transfer that backup to your external memory card, and when you want to import the data, this is what you do. So first and foremost, I'll clear the WhatsApp 2022 data, everything related to WhatsApp. After clearing the data, my WhatsApp looks so empty. Now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna import or restore the data we backed up. So let's go back to App Cloner, click on the three dots and select Import App Data. So we select Import App Data, okay, and then scroll all the way to our directory. Wait for some few seconds. Boom, successfully imported app data. Let's confirm whether our data is back. Yes, indeed, our data is back. You can perform this tutorial on any app or any game at all. Let me know if it works for you inside the comment section.